This is the new look of Flawless in 5. Step 1, Dew Skin or Skin Twin. Skin Twin has 9 times the hyaluron that Tint Skin did previously, and definitely has plumping action after about 10-15 minutes. Step 2, Concealer Pen. Love this Desert Island item. This is it in light. Use your ring finger really gently under that really delicate skin underneath your eye, but this is just a miracle worker. I mean, look at that already, just those 2 steps, boom. And hi, little man. Step 3, Satin Powder Blush. This is probably our most popular color, Nectar. Just on the apples of your cheeks. And then you get to choose step 4, eyebrow pencil or the eyebrow gel. This is the eyebrow pencil in medium. Then use that little spoolie at the end of the pencil. Gives it a really, really natural look. For the gel, it's kind of like the volumizing version of the mascara, which you see here. Or lengthening for a little more natural look. Such a hot day that I recorded this. It was so hot. These are 3 new lip shears, Sheer Genius. This is Rosewood. This is Plum. And Sheer Genius in Orchid. Loved that magnetic closure. These are Beyond Gloss and Dahlia, which has always been my favorite. In Raspberry and Beyond Gloss and Amber Shimmer. And that is the new look to Flawless in 5. With our new Skin Twin there. Our brand new Sheer Genius and Beyond Gloss. Subscribe, like, share, comment, let me know what you think, and if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. This is Curiously Clean Chaos.